self-destruct in 5 seconds.
Space. The final frontier.
These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds,
to seek out new life
and new civilizations,
to boldly go where no one has gone before.
Be something you wish. Then drop on the deck and flop like a fish. Ready? SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants.
Covenant forces appear to be excavating some kind of object.
He and the other Spartans are our only effective weapons against the Covenant.
What does one do with a superhuman you're not sure you can trust?
The Master Chief was enhanced and trained for one purpose: to win this war.
Hello, Master Chief. I'm Cortana.
Find the Halo. Win the war.
This case. Chase, you're the police cop, so I need you to lead this operation. Copy that! Chase is on this ultimate rescue case! Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir. Police style.
Whenever there's a problem around Adventure Bay, Ryder and his team of pups will come and save the day. Marshall, Rumble, Chase, Rocky, Zuma, Sky, yeah, they're on the way. Paw Patrol, whenever you're in trouble. Paw Patrol, will be there on the double. No job's too big, no pups too small. Paw Patrol, we're on a roll. So here we go, Paw Patrol.
What's your problem, Kazansky? You're everyone's problem.
Is this your idea of fun, man?
I don't like you because you're dangerous. That's right. Man, I am dangerous.
I feel the need for speed. Yeehaw!
Federal agent in possible danger.
Somebody's targeting us.
Find out who.
Gotta admire your dedication.
It's time to face my fears.
Federal agent!
Shut it down!
Kenny, he's dead.
There's still no word from the hospital on what exactly killed Kenny.
Look, there's a rare duck-billed platypus. It's coming right for us. Look out, he's got a white flag.
Kenny, no!
Oh my God, they killed the little orange coat kid.
I'm going down to South, I'm gonna have myself a time.
Friendly faces everywhere, humble folks without temptation.
Going down south, I'm gonna leave my world behind.
Oh my God, they killed Kitty!
me!
Come on down to South Park and meet some friends of mine.